Welcome to the Prospered Soul Podcast. This is episode 23. And on today's episode, we're going to be talking about a Mel Robbins technique that allows you to be able to get more done. And isn't that what we want? Productivity, the ability to get more done and actually take action and get things done. The 5-second rule, that builds a habit of taking action, because what it does is it outsmarts your brain. And all you need to do in the first 5 seconds that an idea comes into your awareness is act within those 5 seconds. And the reason why this works is because it overpowers hesitation. It gets you to start. According to science, it's the starting that takes more energy than keeping something going. So what the 5-second rule does is it gives you energy. It makes it so that you can push through resistance and push through the habit of avoiding. And then once you're up and you're going, it's easier to keep going. And you know what else? You're going to be proud of yourself too. So you verbally count yourself down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you spring into action. Whatever it is that you know you need to do, you go and you do that thing before you talk yourself out of it. And, don't say it inside of your mind, because it doesn't work that way. You have to audibly say it. There's a whole bunch of scientific principles that explain why, but I'm not going to go into that. So since it's easy for the brain to take over in 6 seconds, 5 seconds or less is when you need to get yourself into action. It pushes you out. That counting out loud immediately and moving towards action gets you out of autopilot. And when you act, you are exercising control over your circumstances, and you're turning on your prefrontal cortex. And also by doing this, you feel in control of your life. This helps you believe in yourself, that you have control over your outcomes and future success. It also reduces anxiety and depression, and it makes you feel happier. And because it's easy for you to follow through. It's easy for you to keep using it. And it keeps you feeling like a sense of control over your life. So, remember how special using the 5-second rule is to get started, moving forward. Because even, it's the little small actions that take off that pressure off of you and helps to shift negativity, the negativity that's blocking you. All right, that was our quick tip for today on this podcast. If in the show notes, I have links for how to work with me or free resources. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. All right, have a great day or evening. And thank you for listening to The Prospered Soul.